सुने विज्ञान की अनकही कहानियाँ। आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनसुनी कहानियाँ।
Hello listeners, you're listening to Vigyan Ki Awaaz podcast program on STEM popularization, catalyzed and supported by the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation. Project devised and designed by Dr. R. Sridhar and assisted by Ashish Tiwari. Local coordination and production, Professor Subramanian. Content writing by Priyanshu and post-production by Professor Kaushik P. Kanchan of Garden City University, Bengaluru.
Garden City University, conquer we shall all adversity. Together we stand in unity. Together we strive for prosperity. GCU, emphasis on life.
We are spotlighting Dr. D.S. Shankar, a pioneering physicist whose work bridges with nano and soft matter worlds. With a PhD from the prestigious Raman Research Institute and international postdoctoral research at SAIT in South Korea, Dr. Rao's journey has been as global as it is groundbreaking. From nanosoft composites to triboelectric effect, his research explores how tiny materials behave under big pressures. A recipient of the Sir C.V. Raman State Award for Young Scientist and a long-standing member, and now treasurer of the Indian Liquid Crystal Society, Dr. Rao is at the forefront of material science innovation.
Right now the challenge is to storage part of this generated current and voltage, and so it has to be by a combination of proper capacitor and the resistance. So it has to store, and at the same time it has to release at a very slower rate. So that a lot of activities going on, and we are also doing research on that topic. So it will take some time. Yeah. But if the interest is to see the instantaneous current and voltage, they straight away these triboelectric nano generators setup can be put, and it generates instantaneous current and voltage, and that is enough to light the LED or continuous hand tapping. It can charge the mobile or the liquid crystal display panel. That voltage is enough to light the display panel. So right now all these things are demonstrated. Again, that is another big research area. So it is the proper current, the capacitor and resistance combination has to be selected. So the research is going on, and at the same time whatever the triboelectric nano generator, whatever the voltage it generates, it has to be high. So say of the order of 1000 volts or so. So that has to be increased. So that is through proper selection of the these materials like polymer material, and also the increase the surface resistance, etc. So lot of factors are involved. So but the output is it has to generate maximum current and voltage. Thus that is the main aim. So it is going on. I joined my research field after my post graduation in the field of physics, MSc Physics. I joined my research career in 1987, and then I went abroad after my graduation to do the postdoctoral research. After that I joined here so as a scientist, and so so I have put up about 30 years of service in this field. So, and then I got retired, and now I'm still continuing as a distinguished scientist. Yeah, being in the research field for more than 3 decades, so I like this field, and I am continuing still. I got state government award, Sir C.V. Raman Award for Young Scientist. So that's about 10 years back. The guy got recognized from Karnataka state government. So that is one award. So apart from that, we have got a Indian liquid crystal community, and they honored me about 4 months back with a lifetime achievement award. And in addition to the gold award that I got about 5 years back, and about 4 months back I have been honored with a lifetime achievement award for having put up so many studies in this area.
So do you
But we are the
like
in fact,
the top?
in fact, I can admit that we are one of the top researchers in this field. The liquid crystal research. So apart from our institute, the Rama Research Institute is also doing, but we are one of the leading research institute, Center for Nano and Soft Matter Sciences. We are one of the leading research institute. Yeah. This I think my colleague has already told this liquid crystal. So this has got a very interesting property. There is one phase called the cholesteric phase. It changes color with temperature. So and the now recently you might have seen in the advertisement the ladies, they put lipstick, and the color of that the lipstick it changes with change in it keeps changing color. That is because the change in the temperature. So that is one such application. And for these small kits, wherein the thermometer cannot be inserted. So so what the pediatrician will do, they will put a strip on the forehead. That is again because the color change property of this liquid crystalline material that is being used there. So these are known, and apart from that, the more research is going on. And just now I mentioned the helical pitch variation by either by varying the temperature, or by putting a small nano rod, or by shining light of specific wavelength. Here I am shining with 365 nanometer, and I can tune the helical pitch so to whatever number I want. So these are the prominent ones. Our recent prominent research I have gotten. Yeah, we have done our research. Now the later development part, it is going on, and at the same time it will be taken up.
You were listening to Vigyan Ki Awaaz, a podcast on STEM popularization, catalyzed and supported by National Council for Science and Technology Communication, Government of India. Tune in for more such episodes to Vigyan Ki Awaaz on this platform, and also through Spotify, YouTube and Apple Music platforms.
आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनकही